Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to get a domain name for your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight to it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be able to see in your dashboard all the websites that you have enrolled on your Squarespace account. So guys, you can see we currently have only one website, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the three dots here in the upper right corner next to your website in your dashboard. So guys, go ahead and click these three dots right here, and as you can see now this will give you a drop down list of some options that you can use, such as permissions, billing, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click this third option right here called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on settings, and now this will open up this new page where you have a couple of new options again that you can use for editing your website. So guys, we want to go ahead and find this option right here called domains. Go ahead and click on domains right here. And now guys, you can see this will give you the option to either get a domain or use a domain you own. If you want guys, you can go ahead and buy a domain on another site and then use it here, or you can click on get a domain and you can buy a domain directly from Squarespace. So as you can see here, you can choose a domain that you like. Let's say this is the domain that we like. Go ahead and click on it and then go to checkout, and here you'll be able to buy the domain for yourself and use it. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.